Assalamu alaikum. Today we discuss about the Sultanate of Sokoto in northern Nigeria. The Sultanate of Sokoto is the one of the largest empire in Africa during the 19th century. The empire developed as a result of Fulani Jihad. The jihad took place in the first decade of the 19th century across the northern Nigeria. Sokoto Caliphate was the center of politics and economics in the region until it fell to French and British colonial army early 20th century. The Sokoto found in 1804. The first Sultan of Sokoto is Usman Danfodio, and he also the first Sakin Muslimi, that means commander of faithful, is also known as first Sakin Muslimi. He conquered Daura Kano in 807 and Gobir in 809. Danfodio refused to embrace the term of Sultan. Danfodio is a Fulani religious leader and teacher. He lived in the Hausa city state of Gobir and he initiated the jihad in 804 after he and his followers were expelled from the city. After the exile, he called for holy war against the leader of Gobir and the other Hausa city states. And after he gathered a huge army and conquered Gobir, Sokoto, Kano, Katsina and other major cities. In 1815, he ended their conquest and Usman Danfodio is a religious empire in that time. It includes northern Nigeria, northern Cameroon. The main expansion of Sokoto took place between 1808 to 1830. The main developments came under the rule of son of Usman Danfodio, Muhammad Bello. In 1809, Muhammad Bello founded the capital city and he built many cities, wall, school, hospital, market and other building. In 1837, the population of under the Sokoto is 10 million people. And the next part is decline and fall of Sokoto. The French had sent multiple exploratory missions to area of Sokoto to access the colonial opportunity after 1817. However, in the Berlin Conference, the British had expanded into the southern Nigeria. In 1901, began to move into the Sokoto Caliphate. German effort occurred in Cameroon, and British General Frederick Lugard used rivalries between many of the South and the Central Sokoto administration to prevent any defense. The British sent a new Sultan, Muhammad At-Tahiru, along with the Sokoto Sultanate, and they make a big defense to the Sokoto Sultan. Thousands of followers came under the At-Tahiru first, the who sent British, and the caliphate shattered and it was partitioned by British and Germany on March 13, 1903 at the Grand Market Square of Sokoto. The last Wazir of Sokoto officially conceded to British rule. The British appointed Muhammad At-Tahir II as a new caliph, and Frederick Lugard abolished caliphate but retained the title of Sultan as a symbolic position. This remnant became Sokoto Sultanate Council. In June 1903, the British defeated the remaining force of At-Tahiru first and killed him, and by 1906, resistance to British rule had ended. And so the Sokoto Empire complete came under the British rule after 1906.